there by the white truck?
Yeah, the one that we saw the guy get in.
Yeah.
Triple nine arriving at 145. Please. That's what they can be 84 to 148.
She's probably going to be taken off here soon.
And it's southbound through Clinton.
Copy.
Westbound Powell passing 145.
Two triple nine. If someone wants to set up to the west, we can light it up right before he gets spiked. Yeah, I'll try to get the Powell.
Air 9, he's picking up speed northbound on 136.
Hey, Victor, you probably spiked yourself.
And now he's past that car, and he's picking up speed 125.
1725.
Two triple nine. Looks like he's up.
Now the spike looks like it missed to me.
Yeah.
Okay, southbound turn through a parking lot. He's cutting just before 122, weaving his way out to 122. Nearly hit a pedestrian, and southbound 122.
Leaving this location on the wall.
At least one reckless endangering right there.
I copy. 932.
And he is
Southbound through Bush, doing about 70.
I copy.
He's making some passes on oncoming traffic, coming up on Holgate.
Area 914, you're the only vehicle in that area.
He's picking up a lot of speed. I can't tell if he's losing any tires. Through Raymond. Driving on the wrong side of the street down 122. Just passed over Springwater. Car had to avoid him, almost caused a head-on. He is consistently driving in oncoming traffic, coming up on Foster, and he's going to blast through there and head west.
People need to stop following this guy and get ahead of him. Get the point he's going.
He is back driving the correct side of traffic. He's getting caught in a little bit of slow moving. Just nearly caused a crash passing oncoming traffic. Speeds are slowing down. He's stuck in some traffic at 92nd. He's in the number 2 lane at 92nd, about 6 cars back. And he's going to weave around them. Now he's back in the number 1 lane. Third car back from 92nd. And it's southbound 92.
Southbound 92 from Foster.
Picking up speed again. I don't see anybody pushing this guy. He's southbound 92 through Claiborne. He went northbound on 87. I think he might be looking for a place to curb it here soon. Coming up to 82 right now.
82 Glenwood.
Southbound turn. Almost sideswiped the car. Southbound 82. Eastbound Harney, it looks like. now Flavel.
Southbound I-2.
And then westbound now.
Rear tire headed out.
Westbound Flavel. Oncoming traffic, heads up, he's in oncoming right now. Still west 387, passing a bus and oncoming traffic. Car got a little squirrely there, I don't know if he might be missing a tire and starting to lose some traction. His speeds are down to about 35, so I think you might be losing tires here.
Lights are back on.
Seven!
I'm gonna go with Perkins right here. You can
Copy it.
Can you get an update? Good, man.
Good, 8 to an